We're here in Corte Madera and just wanted to give a post-installation walkthrough of a project we completed last year. So this project was actually a second time around for a very nice couple here that we had previously done about 10 years ago. And what we did is they did a complete remodel of their home here in Corte Madera. And so what we then did was renovated and kind of put things back together after that initial remodel. So you can see here a very nice modern remodel that they did to this existing residence. And then what we did was came in and did a new landscape installation to kind of match up with that. So in the front we can see these floating concrete slab stepping stones, and then we have a little section of lawn here with a subsurface drip irrigation system, and then low maintenance plantings. So we've got some nice mat rush there in the front along the parkway with some crepe myrtles. You can see this bell guard edging stone that we put to kind of accommodate our grade change with the lawn. And then you can see these nice Kitchener lights that we have here as well, that give us pathway light and kind of tie into the lighting at the house. So as we walk in through the backyard here, the front yard was a little bit more minimal in terms of our installation. But then coming in through the back, we installed a new gate here to the backyard. So our objective here with the backyard was the backyard looks very much like it did before the construction process. But of course during construction the back was completely destroyed. So what we did was renovate and reinstall this existing lawn. It was redone with new subsurface drip irrigation here as well. This bluestone patio and seat wall was something that we did about 10 years ago. So, and you can see again how that is nicely framed on Mount Tam there. But that was existing, and so we're kind of putting this back together and re-landscaping. And then if we look at the new deck that was built out as part of the addition, we came in with some nice dwarf olives, some star jasmine to kind of soften some of the concrete planters and that were installed here. Walk around the side here. So just nice clean modern plantings to kind of match the architecture. Again, you can see some variegated mat rush in there. The strawberry trees, which are matching some existing that we had planted in our first phase. Some English laurel to give privacy screening along the back. And then over on this side was just a nice clean decomposed granite utility area there. So that's kind of a brief overview of what we did to kind of put this project in Corte Madera back together after what was a pretty substantial renovation and construction project.